going to be time to do this mass airflow sensor. It's located right here on the air intake system. To do that, we're going to start by removing the wiring. Slide that tab, press here, and then draw this wire off. Take a peek. Now it's time to take out the mounting screws. The kit actually comes with the tool you're going to need. Looks like this. You can either use a 1/4 inch socket with a ratchet, or just use one of these tools. Kind of zips it right out of there. Grab onto that, slide it right out. So it's time to install the new mass airflow sensor. Once you take a peek and you know that they're both the same. When you do this, make sure you have the little sensing unit facing towards the air box. That's going to measure the amount of air getting pulled through to the engine. Slide it right like that. You can grab your mounting screws. I'm going to start them both in before I tighten either of them up. For this, I'm going to use my ratchet with a 1/4 inch drive socket. Okay, bottomed out, teeny bit more. Grab that wiring, slide it on there till it clicks, slide the lock, remove your tools, take it for a road test.